So this video is going to explain in really simple terms what Fusion even is. So Fusion is software, so that's the apps and programs that run on the computer that lets you design things in 3D. In the real world, you would use Fusion if you were an engineer or a product designer, and you would use Fusion to design what your components or the different parts of whatever product it is you are making. And you would use Fusion to put together some technical engineering drawings, and then you would pass this on to the team of people that would then go on to manufacture or make whatever it is you have designed. With regards to being at school, in year 7 and year 8 you learn the basics of how to use Fusion, and then if you pick DT or engineering, it is part of the course that you will have to design some products that you have come up with yourself, and you will need to use Fusion to design all of the different parts, all of the different components, and use Fusion to make some engineering drawings that you will have to follow yourself, and then manufacture or make a prototype. So a prototype is like an example, a one-off version of what the final product might look like. So with Fusion, you need to make sure that your grid is turned on here. So if it's not and yours is blank, we go down to the bottom, it says grid and snaps, and you just need to double check that your grid is turned on. At the top up here, we've got a little toolbar with lots of different things we can do. So the most basic things you can do in Fusion is you can create a sketch. You click on which of these planes you want to design it on, so I'm going to design it on the bottom one. And then you've got loads of choice as to what you can draw. Some more options down here under where it says create, so different things that you can be drawing. I'm just going to draw a square, so I'm going to click to place the first corner, and then I'm not holding down any buttons on the mouse, I'm just moving it, and then I'm going to click again to say where I want my square to end. So this is my square. I'm going to use this little tool at the top up here, this little cube, and I'm going to rotate it just so we can see that actually at the minute my square is flat, it is in 2D. And then you can go back to solid at the top and you can extrude, which basically means pull out. Okay, so now I have made a really simple, really basic cube. And what I can keep doing is I can just experiment. So I want to create a sketch. I need to click on this bottom plane again, so I've got that my square is there. Next to it, I'm going to draw a circle. This time to draw a circle, I'm going to click where I want the middle of my circle to be. And then again, don't hold down anything on the mouse, and then just click when you're happy. This is where I want my circle to be. Then go back to solid, back to extrude, and I'm just going to pull it up. So now I've got a little cylinder as well. Okay, so there's lots of different things you can do. So it's create sketch, and then down here you've got loads of different options. So you can have a go at drawing lots of different things. So you just need to remember that you go to create sketch, click on the plane you want to draw it on. When you're done, go back to solid, and then extrude to make it from 2D into 3D. And Fusion, just as a reminder, is software that is used in the real world by professionals for designing lots of different products, and the designs that are done in Fusion will be passed on to a team of people that would then go on to manufacture or make the products.